Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Jeep Gladiator battery. Before starting, prioritize safety. Always wear protective eyewear and gloves to prevent injury. Make sure your Gladiator's engine is off and cool to the touch. Having a 10mm wrench and a terminal cleaner ready will make the process smoother. The battery in your Jeep Gladiator is conveniently located under the passenger seat. To begin, use your 10mm wrench to loosen and remove the negative battery cable from its terminal. Always disconnect the negative cable first to prevent electrical shorts. Once the negative is free, proceed to disconnect the positive cable in the same manner. With both terminals disconnected, you'll need to loosen and remove the battery hold-down clamp. This clamp secures the battery in place. Once it's removed, carefully lift the battery straight up and out of its tray. Remember, a typical Jeep Gladiator battery weighs approximately 50 pounds, so lift with caution to avoid strain. When installing a new battery, first clean the battery tray and terminals thoroughly for optimal connection. Carefully place the new battery into the tray. Connect the positive cable to the positive terminal first, then connect the negative cable to the negative terminal. Finally, secure the hold-down clamp to keep the battery firmly in place.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.